Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your height measurement into the WITHINGS app on WITHINGS BPM Core. Okay, so if you'd like to do it, you should go down in the app to find the height. Then you can click on this button right here. Click on three dots, new measurement, and add your height right here. Let's say it's like that. Let's save it. And now you'll have your today, right? And you'll have it, you can basically zoom in or out, I believe. Or you cannot. Yeah, you can zoom in. And then you'll see more, right? And that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.